Hello viewers, today I was telling about Instagram messages notifications not showing up. For that, we need to go to Instagram and come back and press on Instagram logo. Here we have the app info. Click on that. So here we have a notification. If notifications happens, the notifications not come in our mobile me on mobile Instagram notification. For that, we need to go to notifications and click on that. Here we need to know on the notifications. So here we have all notifications. I was allowing the all notifications directly. Thank you. Now we will see the notification of Instagram account. Thank you.